And then what I'm going to do is just move my content into position just here on the right hand side. And in just a matter of moments, we have a pretty good looking website. We can select this section over here and we can expand it out to give it a little bit more room so that we basically have this text happening with a little bit more breathing room in general. Once we create these elements, we can start resizing the page and it's automatically responsive. We can even shrink down to smaller viewports and it just works. Now let's take a look at the second part of this design, which has this box on the left hand side. We have an image on the right hand side and 3 other boxes here on the bottom. I want to see if I can rebuild that same sort of aesthetic inside of Editor X. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select to add a new section, and I'm going to just do a blank section. Here, I think I'm going to do a bit of a container. And this container here, what I'm thinking, let's actually drag it in over here. And if we take a closer look at the design here, we've got a bit of a gray colored box. I also want to save this image and use the colors inside of the design here. So I'm actually just going to do that right now. Let me actually change image, upload this one that I've just downloaded right in here. And then I can probably even just select those hexadecimal values to use for the design aesthetic. And this can be useful whenever you're creating any type of design to pull the actual colors out of the images, because sometimes they're the nicest kind of colors. So here I'm going to select this box. I'm going to the inspector. I'm going to the design and I'm going to select the background and I'm going to pick a custom color. I'm going to select to add a color. And what I want to do is I want to add this color, well, this gray color. So I'm just going to open up the console here. I'm going to type in color red just for the time being. I'm going to do the picker here, select this gray color. I'll close this off for the time being, then jump back in here, add the hexadecimal color, paste this in, apply.